Hi, I'm Richard.
And I'm Lidia, and we are here today to talk about our new release of condo townhouses at Trussler West community. These townhomes will be located just off Behringer Drive and will offer two spacious floor plans. They will feature 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, single or double garages, and will have between 14 and 1800 square feet. They will also offer a rear deck and a balcony on the second floor. And like with all our townhouses in our communities, they are Energy Star certified. The Avani unit interior will be starting at $739,900 and the end unit Quinn will be starting at $789,900.
Let's not forget about the fantastic green space right outside your front door, with wonderful hiking trails and a community park, minutes from Highway 78, and Sunrise Center just around the corner as well. If you've been searching for your dream home in Kitchener, now's your time to make your dreams become reality. Join us this weekend at our Trussler West Sales Center, located at 62 Natalie Street, 1 to 5 Saturday and Sunday, where we'll be releasing these beautiful homes to the public for the first time. These sales will be on a first come, first served basis.
We can't wait to show you what our Trussler West community has to offer.
See you this weekend.